Hi, this is Mr. Esparagoza. In our virtual class, you will be using a digital tool called Seesaw to complete your classworks and assessments. And here are the 10 simple steps to complete your tasks from beginning to end. Number 1. If you have not already done so, download the Seesaw app. Number 2. Click I'm a student. Number 3. Enter the code provided by your child's teacher. Number 4. Choose the activity and click the Add Response green button to start working on it. Number 5. Choose the colored marker at the bottom of your screen. Number 6. Choose the line size from thin to thick line. Number 7. Choose the color by moving the circle along the color spectrum and stop at the color of your choice. Number 8. Read the directions and start working. For example, number 1. What does Kale want to do? Buy basketball, eat lunch, or fly kite? Draw a circle around your answer. You do the same for number 2, 3, 4, and 5 until you have completed the assignment. Number 9. To change your answer, an eraser is found at the bottom of the screen. And circle your final answer. Once you have completed the task, click the check mark on the upper right side of the screen. Those are the 10 steps to complete assignments on Seesaw. Easy, right? If you have questions, please do not hesitate to let your teacher know. Thanks for watching.